Hello everyone, this is Amar. In this video, I will talk about the types of beam loading. So let's start the video. First type of load is the point or concentrated beam load. So what is mean that by that? A load which act at a point on a beam is point or concentrated load. So here you can see a beam AB is there and W1 and W2 are nothing but the point or concentrated load. So these loads are acting at a point on this beam. So these point loads are assumed to be act over a small area. Now RA and RB are nothing but the vertical support reactions for the beam AB. Now next type of load is the uniformly distributed load. So a load which is uniformly spread over the entire length of the beam is called as uniformly distributed load, or which is also called as UDL. So here you can see a beam AB is there. So here you can see this load is nothing but it is uniformly distributed load. So the rate of loading over the entire length is same in case of UDL. Now for calculation purpose, the load is assumed to be act at center of beam in case of UDL. Now the rate of loading, total load which is acting at the center, will be W into L. So it is assumed to be act at the center of beam, so length will become half over here and the load will be W into L. That will be the total load due to UDL. Now next type of load is the uniformly varying load. So in this case, the rate of load varies linearly from one point to another point along the beam. So here you can see at point A the load is 0 and to another point, that is at point B, the load is more. So this load will uniformly vary from point A to point B. Now this is called as uniformly varying load. It is also called as triangular load. Now this uniformly varying load is W kilonewton per meter. Now this uniformly varying load, for calculation purpose, it is assumed to be act at 1/3 from base of beam. So it is assumed to be act at 1/3 at base of beam, and the load due to UVL will be half into WL. So half into WL will be the load due to UVL. So this is all about the types of load. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.